Are you looking on to improving your dressing sense to make it more flattering chic or polished looking look? Or you're tired of all the disappointment you get whenever you're looking at the mirror and seeing how dissatisfied your outfit turned out like? I believe we all have come across such dilemmas of looking into the mirror and wonder on how we can fix the bad outfit. While there might be various reasons why our outfit might not look good, such reasons include a color combination clashing or the unbalance within our outfit. On today's video, I would like to break down some of the common scenarios that cause an outfit to look bad, as well as how to fix it. It is time to banish a bad outfit days and improve on our dressing sense. Come on, ladies. Hello to all my revolutionary sisters out there. Welcome and welcome back on my channel. On this channel where we talk about girls talk, femininity, life motivation, and self-discovery. On today's video, I would like to talk about how to improve on your dressing sense. A disclaimer: my video is not meant to pick on anyone's dressing or fashion sense. I believe that we are all beautiful and different in all different forms. Also, you should wear whatever you feel more comfortable on. I'm only here to share my opinions and help those who are looking on improving and elevating on their dressing sense. So on my first tip on how to improve on your dressing sense, it will be pay attention to the prints on your outfit. While it could be fashionable to mix and match on different prints and patterns, that could also turn into a fashion disaster. That can cause your outfit to be all over the place. This could be as a result of incorporating too many prints and patterns. Now let's look at easy ways in which you can incorporate into your outfit to fix that disaster outfit with many prints. So the first way would be to identify the dominant print in your outfit. So secondly, choose one color that matches the print. For example, let's say you're wearing a floral blouser with pink or maybe green tone. You can tone it down with a skirt or a trouser that is plain green or pink to accentuate one of the dominant print colors. So the third one, it will be break down with a solid colors, such as maybe adding neutral pieces such as black or beige pants to create a more cleaner and cohesive look. Fourth one is remember less is more when it comes to print. So if you find your outfit looking too much, you need to tone it down and let only one print to be the focus point of your outfit. Tip number 2 on how to improve your dressing sense. This one I live by and I'll always emphasize on. Dress for your body type. I feel that is so essential to know and understand your body type, as this can actually make a lot of difference and save you from a lot of trouble, as some clothes are just not meant for all body type, although there are clothes for different body type. So how to actually go about tackling this problem? It will be first, you need to start by identifying your body type. Once you know your body shape, that will allow you to choose clothes that will accentuate your best features and downplay the part you do not want to highlight. I've already made a video when I was talking about a different body type and clothes that accentuate a different body type. You can go ahead and watch it if you haven't seen it. Tip number 3, it will be pay attention to proportion. So one common mistake people make when putting together an outfit is not paying attention to proportion. So what does this mean? This simply means not paying attention to the length and pattern. Here are some simple tips on how to achieve a balanced proportion. So let's say, for example, you're wearing a loose or maybe a flowy top. It may look best paired with slim jeans to balance out the proportion. So if you are wearing a white pants or flowy maxi skirt, it will be best to pair them with a more flattering top to create a sense of balance. So remember, to create a proportion balance, the only tip or the trick is to, if you have flowy or loose top, you need to have a very tight bottom. So if you have a very flowy or loose bottom, you need to create a very slim top. I hope it makes sense. So not paying attention to proportion might create a baggy and a shapeless outfit, or one that appear too tight or unflattering. So the major key here is to find pieces that well balance each other out and create a cohesive look. Tip number 4, it will be find colors that complement each other. So having colors that do not complement each other can cause the entire outfit to appear disjoint. So before you can put on different colors, evaluate your colors twice before you get exposed to a color clashing. So how to actually fix this? It will be stick to a color palette. Use opposite colors on the color wheel, such as blue, orange. Those colors create a striking construct that can be visual appealing. So the third one, it will be opt for monochromatic outfit, which uses different shade and tint of the same color for a more cohesive look. The fifth tip on how to improve your dressing sense, it will be pay attention to undergarments. Undergarments and shapewear can cause visible lines, bags, and ultimately result in ruining your look and maybe even the way you feel. Here's the ways on how to fix the undergarments ruining your look. So pick underwear that fits smartly without cutting onto your skin. Look for seamless options to prevent visible lines under your clothes. Look into shapewear, as they could be helpful in smoothing out any lumps and bugs. So if also you're someone who loves wearing scoop necks, V-necks, or off-the-shoulder tops, stick to a stripeless bra, because it just doesn't look okay. Like having your striped bras popping out is just never a good thing, I think. So make sure it fits properly and comfortable to prevent a forming of any new bugs. Tip number 6, it will be pay attention to the type of accessories you pick. So accessories should enhance your outfit, but having the wrong one, that could create a negative effect. So how to actually avoid such mistake? The first one, it will be stop overdoing on your accessories. So if you have a statement necklace, choose a subtitle earrings. So also if you have a large or a chunky earrings, keep your necklace at minimum. So also not considering the occasion. I know you might love your chunky necklace or your bracelet or maybe your statement earrings. Sadly, they might not be appropriate for the occasion. I think it is best to firstly consider the dress code and the formality of the event before choosing the accessories. Tip number 7 on how to improve your dressing sense, it will be finding your skin tone. Have you ever find yourself wearing an outfit that just didn't look good on you? Maybe it could be that the color of the clothes don't suit your skin tone. While this could be such a tricky problem to fix in the beginning, but once you start understanding the colors that looks good on you and also identify your skin tone, it becomes more easier. So how to actually fix this problem? So firstly, you need to start by determining your skin tone. There are 3 types of skin undertone, which is warm, cool, and neutral. So for a warm skin undertone, having a A warm skin undertone have a yellow or a golden undertone, and then for a cool undertone skin, they have a pink, a blue undertone. So if you have a warm undertone, you will want to choose warm colors like orange, red, and your yellows. And then for a cool undertone, you can opt for colors such as blue, green, and a purple. So once you know your undertone, you will have a wide selection of specific colors that will make your face radiate in the best way.
You can overcome many very difficult things in life. The only thing you cannot ever overcome is your own death. You can overcome anything except your own death. And there's always choices. There's always a place to go. The fact that you don't see them doesn't mean they're not there, and you have to have faith